right, so just snagged a post-workout meal right here. Got a banana, some sandwiches, and a couple things of soy milk. Thomas is in this Starbucks right here. We finna walk in and surprise him. I see him. Good. All right, made it.
I see. I went to a lot of yeah.
All right, so we are in the hostel now. Spans like 5 different floors, so that earlier place was just the check-in. But here is my bed. Nice little curtain, so I don't want to pass out. Let's do it. Taylor Swift. We're in the ferry now. Kind of looks like an airplane almost, you know, like these seats. So just linked up with Chang and his cousin Michelle. They just came from Texas. We're going to the island right now. We're gonna check out some pirate coves.
Is it?
Just arrived on the island. Learned Vietnamese through like the dubs, the Vietnamese dubs of TVB. Yeah.
I need some herbal tea.
Here. This is apparently if you up.
Yeah, so in Hong Kong, if you get into and you gotta dip out somewhere, you come here. You rent one of these boats. It's to Thailand. At the public market. At the public.
Hey, it's like world's healthiest lollipop. Our boy Chang right now is a legend. He's trying to, so we're still trying to get to the pirate coves, but he's talking to them in Cantonese, trying to get, see if he can rent them, like rent their services. Yo, let's do it. Getting like a L'Oreal commercial right now. Right, so that is our final destination. Let's do it. All right, we're gonna start climbing soon. Chang was like, this is actually the pirate's den. So that's why,
We got on a boat to get here. We got on 2 boats to get here.
This whole place is aesthetic as f***. These boats aren't even in the water. Like half the boat is like, literally it's flying. Uh-oh, here we go. Couple taking pics. All right, it's time to head back.
Let me give you the other one. That influence.
We literally had to scale to get here. I just wrote down his phone number, so we called him. Chang talked to him, and we are back in business.
4個字啊！
Just like that, we are back ashore. Are we heading back to... Chang saw this deluxe class, so we're just gonna try it. Let's go. All right, here we go. Ooh, okay, I'm about it.
Canada's awesome. It's like America Plus, you know?
As an exchange student, but I wanted to go to Montreal, and the classes would have been in French.
So we linked back up with Mathilda, and we're just getting some dumplings right now.
Hi, I'm Nuno. I'm from Portugal and live here.
It's a pilot, all right. Hi,
You know
guys.
me already.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Alyssa. I'm from Australia. I'm here until Friday for the Lunar New Year.
Yes.
Hi, I'm Marianne. I'm from Finland. I just came yesterday. I have been sleeping for 20 hours and I'm staying here for a week and then half a year in Taiwan.
Taiwan. On my face. Yo, my boy Igor came through.
Yeah, I'm here there.
Chin chin.
Chin chin.
Chin chin.
Broccoli.
Broccoli.
Russian borscht. Broccoli.
Broccoli.
Russian borscht.
So there's literally a huge flower market right outside the place we were eating. So we're just.
It's true.
Look.
Well, what Paul said about this magic?
Okay, Mariana just showed me a snus, and so I'm gonna try it for the first time. Here goes. This one.
What is that one?
What is this? What is this?
What is that
It's
one?
a snus. Snus.
What is snooze?
I don't know. Here goes.
I want to try snooze.
Okay, so right here.
Yeah.
Huh? What? For what?
Right here. Like that.
Yeah, like that.
For what?
You can put it like a in this way.
Now what?
It's like- I have one friend who tried it first time and he was throwing up for the next 2 hours. Throwing up for the next 2 hours.
Okay, I'm snoozed out right now. It feels great. It's really spicy when you put it in your mouth. I'm like a little bit tipsy, and there's a really long line at 7-Eleven right now.
Bye, guys.
I follow you tomorrow. Tonight I follow you.
The Russian memes.
Est-ce que tu
What
aimes
did you order?
What is this? Meme.
Est-ce que tu aimes de Russian
Miam.
memes?
So in Finland, if you do that, the days